The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Wanna see she move over? If she move over when the light turn green, she crazy enough for.
She way past somebody.
Wait, Bower.
She like that crazy, man.
Oh, what the fuck you talk? I kill Nantiga.
Well, she know what it
What the fuck? Hey, look. I kill fucking me.
My people, I wonder if that female think that if she walk past that stoplight when it's on red, that she actually break a traffic law. I wonder if that female shown in that video think that if she walk past that stoplight shown in that video when it's on red, that the police within that country would actually give her a ticket. See? I first me I see something like this, this is strange to me, this new to me. I record this, a sign. You see it? When me think, so me see everything on social media, something always pop up that make me think twice. All 3 times too. That one a crack shell, my people. Alright, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to your viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I got information that sometime within the month of September, the year 2021, within the parish that is known as St. Catherine, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, persons who are said to be goat thieves had been apprehended and brought into police custody. Now, information as to how those persons had been apprehended and brought into police custody are somewhat sketchy. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video, letting you know what I know. Alright? Because to my knowledge, those informations that I got about the incident, they are unconfirmed information. So I'm not going to say those things in this video. Alright? Now, I saw more than one pieces of video circulating on social media that shows those persons who are said to be goat thieves. And I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can get a better understanding about the whole situation or the whole incident. You see? Now, please bear in mind that this video is going to show those persons who are said to be goat thieves in the back of a police service vehicle, and goats can be seen in the video as well. You can hear persons talking in the video, maybe loud too. You see me I say? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh, damn it, penny, take the van, go to. Come on, man.
Yeah, man, me here say him, man.
Oh, damn it, penny, man.
Do it. Yeah, see me there. Move from here, man.
You man, I see you, man. You man, I see you. You know I don't talk about that.
Hello.
No, dog, me not tell you.
My people, the thing rough out there. It tough out there. It tough. It rough. It hardened. The thing set like a tin set. You see? Janu. My people, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And I'm going to present another video to you. Now, I am going to present to you a video that's going to show a person doing a trick that some persons might call a magic trick, you see? But I'm going to tell you what I think about this video. This video is going to show a person doing a trick with toothpicks and liquid that the person said is water. And I'm going to tell you how I think the person do this so-called trick that some persons might also call a magic trick. You understand? But in my point of view, I think that there's a logical explanation as to how the person do this trick. I'll soon explain to you. But I'll present the video to you first, and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well, isn't it? You can tell me if you think the video shows a magic trick or if the video shows a trick, or you can explain how the person did whatsoever the person had done shown in the video. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Tell me what you think.
Watch me now. Now I get 5 toothpicks. I get 5 toothpicks. But because I don't want the video too long, I just show me. Now I'm going to break the toothpicks them as even as I can. So now I'm going to break the toothpicks. So, and then you get them like this. Then I'm going to join them so. Get one plate and join them so. Like make it be one star. And get them close as you can. Close as you can, sir. Alright, so you see, look, we want to look for there and say, look, you know. Now we get one cup with some water. You will get one straw. You will put the finger up on the top of the straw for hold the water. So you will go some. You have to hold the water and then you go try to put it right in the middle of some ice straw then. Alright, watch now. You know, watch cleanly, you know, and see what they man close up and lock up, you know. I want to see it, you know. You see they move and lock up. I want to see where they lock, straight up where they lock up. All of them are lock up. Just watch and see the people. You see it? I want to see it, you know. See where the one they move? Alright. Watch that. Oh, they go lock up. 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 Oh, they go lock up.
Alright, now, viewers and subscribers, let me explain to you what I think the person had done. You see? Let me explain to you this trick that the person saying do. Now, the person break those toothpicks and put them in a plate. Notice that those toothpicks, them not totally break apart. Right? Them break. So them kind of shape like a V or something. You see? Then now, the person put them at a certain weight in the plate, right? And the person put the water in the middle of those toothpicks because he set the toothpicks a certain weight. The video is right there. You know, you can look at the video again if you don't really and truly look at it properly. Now, listen to this now, see? Now, say the man broke the toothpick, so the giant in the right ear, so right? Alright, say the giant in the right ear. So remember, this was the toothpick, so he break the toothpick and it's still kind of giant right here. Then, input the other toothpick from the side with the same giant in again, so forth to them one another, right? Now, when you put the water in the middle of all those toothpicks that have been broken and put to shape like some form of sparkle or a star or something, see? Because the toothpicks still join together. When the water touch this part of the toothpick, maybe that is the reason why the toothpick go like this, and then each one of them go like this and touch each other. Yes, what I said? What they forget what I mean, you know? Because the toothpick, them set like this, but them break, but they not totally break separate apart. They're still kind of joined. So when the water touch each one of those toothpicks in the middle, because the person say water, so when they touch each one of the toothpicks, them in the middle, right here in the center, because it not totally break apart, I think that is the reason why it goes like this. Because remember, the toothpick originally was like this. So maybe when the water touched the middle right here, so of those toothpicks, right? That might be the reason why those toothpicks are trying to go back to its first form, where it was like this before they had been broken like this. So that might be the reason why them touch to each other. You see me? Now it might look like a magic trick to some persons if you don't really think about it. You understand? But if you really think about it, that might be a logical reason for that trick to happen that way. See me? Now you can tell me if I am wrong, you know, and you can tell me if I'm right, but that's what I think about that trick shown in that video, you know. Yeah, I got the understanding that this video is getting a little buzz on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering how the person do it. Different things being said about the video on social media, but me, I give my opinions about that video. You see? Yeah, I think that because those toothpicks, they are not totally broken apart. That's the reason why I think that then just go back to this like that. Now, if those toothpicks actually, like to each toothpick that had been broken like this, if they actually come together like this now, then I would say, well, that is something right there. Because remember now, to go like this, I think that would be more of a harder way for those toothpicks to go together like this, because they were like this. So breaking them to like this, the force, the tension that was there right here in here, yeah, the tension to go so, you know what I mean? Yeah, it more likely would be going like this. Try to straighten back out itself, but to see it go like this, that would be really something. Then I would say, okay, that trick look like it's really some for a magic trick. Look at the video, good viewers and subscribers, and think about the things that I said. Just look at it good, you see me? Tell me if I'm wrong, Tell me if I'm right, but that's my opinions. You see it? I yes, I'm gonna left it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, you know? Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?